In this video, you'll learn how to add a co-host in Google Meet so you can share control of your meeting and manage things more smoothly. Whether you're running a class, a team meeting, or a webinar, having a co-host can really help with things like admitting participants, managing chat, or handling technical issues while you stay focused on presenting. Let's start from the moment your meeting is already in progress. You should be in an active Google Meet session with your camera and microphone set up the way you like. Once you're in the meeting, the first thing you want to do is open the people panel. This is where you'll see everyone who's currently in the call. To open the people panel, look for the icon that usually shows the outline of two people or a single person with a number next to it. You'll typically find this near the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device and layout. Click or tap that icon and a list of participants will appear. This panel is your control center for managing who's in the meeting and what roles they have. Now, scroll through the list and select the participant you want to make a co-host. Take a moment to be sure you're choosing the right person, especially if you have multiple people with similar names. When you click on their name, you'll see a small menu or a panel appear next to their details. This will give you a few options related to that participant. Next, you're going to click on More Options, which is represented by three vertical dots, often called the More menu. These three dots are usually to the right of the participant's name in the People panel. Click the dots to open a drop-down menu with additional controls for that specific person. In that menu, look for the option that says Add as Co-host. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, Google Meet will update that person's role, and they'll now have co-host controls. This typically means they can help you with actions like admitting or removing participants, muting others, controlling certain meeting safety settings, and sometimes managing breakout rooms or recordings depending on your organization's settings. It's a good idea to let your new co-host know that you've given them this role. You can do this verbally in the meeting or with a quick message in the chat just to make sure they understand they now have extra controls and responsibilities. This helps avoid confusion, especially if they're not expecting it. If at any point you want to remove someone as a co-host, you would follow the same process. Open the people panel, select their name, click the three-dot More Options menu, and change their role back if that option is available in your version of Google Meet. That's all there is to it. By opening the people panel, selecting a participant using the More Options menu, and choosing Add as co-host, you can quickly share hosting duties and run a smoother, more organized meeting.